Good evening. Myself Yuvraj Singh of class 8 from the Young Minds, and today I am here to tell you about force, effects of force and types of forces. Before starting our video, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's start. Force. Force acts in our everyday life, acting as stretching, pulling, pushing or lifting. It can be stretching a rubber band, pushing a door, pulling a box, etc. Simply, a push or pull on an object is called force, and the direction in which the object is pushed or pulled is called the direction of force. The SI unit of force is Newton. Its abbreviation is N. 1 Newton is the force which can make an object of 1 kilogram move at a speed of 1 meter per second. And effects of forces are: a force can move a stationary object. A force can stop a moving object. For example, while playing football, when a footballer kicks the ball, he moves a stationary object. And when a goalkeeper stops a ball, he is stopping a moving object. Next, a force can change the speed of a moving object. A force can change the direction of a moving object. While playing cricket, when a cricketer puts a 4 or 6, he changes the speed and direction of the moving ball. Next, a force can change the shape and size of an object. For example, we can take a spring and we can see when we squeeze and expand it, its shape and size changes. Next, types of forces. Forces are classified into two main categories: non-contact forces and non-contact forces. A force which can be exerted by an object on another object only through physical touching is known as contact force. Its types are muscular force, and frictional force, the force exerted by the muscles of the body. For example, when I am pressing this ball, I am applying my muscular force on this ball. Next, frictional force, the force which always opposes the motion of one body over another body is known as frictional force. For example, when I rub these two sandpapers over each other, they are creating friction or opposing their motion and making it difficult to move over each other. So it is the frictional force. Next, non-contact forces. A force which can be exerted by an object on another object even from a distance is called non-contact forces. Magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force are three main types of non-contact forces. Magnetic force. The force exerted by a magnet is called magnetic force. For example, when I move this magnet near to the nails, you can see that it has attracted all the nails without touching them. So, it is the magnetic force of magnet. Next, electrostatic force. The force exerted by an electrically charged object is known as electrostatic force. For example, when I rub this comb in my hairs, it gets electrically charged, and when I take it near to the pieces of paper, it is getting attracted towards it. So it is the electrostatic force. Next is gravitational force. The pull exerted by objects possessing mass, or the gravitation, the force with which the earth pulls the thing towards it is called force of gravity. The force of gravity pulls everything towards it. For example, if anything I leave with my hands, it goes down towards the earth. It is called gravity or gravitational force of earth. Thank you.